Hello, Mishari. Can you hear me? Mishari, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear you. How are you?
Yes,
I'm
teacher.
fine. Firas, how are you?
So good.
That's great, mashallah.
MashaAllah.
Open your books.
Page 53.
Yes, very good. Muhammad Azhari is there.
Open.
Yes, open page 35.
I open.
That's good.
أنا
Okay.
أسكت.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Alaikum Salam, Muhammad, how are you?
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. So on page number 35, we have a question. Read the question, please. Firas,
Yes.
read the question, please.
Number 1. Write down one example of a reversible reaction.
Which one is that? Reversible reaction. Tell me.
Reversible reaction.
Yes.
Wood burning.
Wood burning is reversible. You can get it back.
No.
Though.
Irreversible is wood burning.
No, I am asking about reversible.
Oh.
Huh.
Reversible?
Yes.
Melting ice.
Yes, Muhammad Azhari. Ice
Ice.
melting.
Melting.
Ice melting, chocolate melting, ice cream melting. Okay.
Water melting.
Squashing paper. These are all reversible reactions. Then irreversible, wood burning, as you said. Wood burning. Okay, that's good. Okay, here is an amazing fact, which is Finland is a place has the highest number of deaths caused by fire in the world. Yani because of fire in Finland there are highest number of deaths.
عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Walaikum salam, Saud.
Teacher, I finish.
Okay.
عليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. السلام عليكم يا أستاذ.
Walaikum salam, Loi, good morning.
عليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Misha, Loi.
كيف الحال يا أستاذ؟
Alhamdulillah. Saud is there. Okay. So ice melting is a reversible reaction. Okay, reversible, yani you can get anything back in reversible like ice melting or some others. Then we have irreversible, yani which is not reverse back. That is called wood.
Teacher, أنا حل.
Yes.
I write.
Okay, who is with me now? New one. Hatim Al Amri?
ميد.
Hatim Mayed, okay.
He is in the car. Go
Yeah, yes, I
vacation.
can hear it. Yes, okay. Let him enjoy. So write down one example of reversible reaction, which is ice melting. You can get the ice back by putting the water into the freezer or fridge or tallaja bilarabi. Write down two examples of irreversible reaction. One is wood burning and second one is wood burning and second one is, what is second one? You can write steel rusting, right? Steel rusting. Here is number 1. Number 1, wood burning. Number 2, steel rusting. These are two irreversible reactions, examples of irreversible reactions. Okay, done? Finished or not?
Yes, yes.
Okay,
Yes, finish.
okay. Who was new? Loi, finished? Okay, now we will move towards next page. Okay, let me open it. Page 36. Page number 36. Firas, come forward and read. Firas, can you hear me? Muhammad Azhari, come forward. Firas, you are busy, I think.
Yes.
Okay, read from here.
Okay. Can mixture be
Separated.
separated?
It's mean
Separated.
if you mix something, can you make it separated? Can you separate it? Explain, explore how.
Explore how solids can be mixed and how it is often possible to then separate them again.
That's good. Okay.
The big idea, we can get the things we need out of mixture. When coffee is added to water, the solvent is the water.
Here.
Coffee powder, well,
From
okay.
here.
How can you tell if something
Is solid.
solid? If lots,
Solids have shape.
if lots
This is the basic sign.
different things. Okay.
Okay. So,
If
okay,
lots,
Muhammad, thank you. If lots of different things are put into a container, we call it mixture. Like you can see here, there is sand, stones, and many other substances. This is called mixture. If you cut different fruits, okay, into one pot, that is also a mixture, right? Mixture of fruits. How can you separate these objects? Okay, Mishari, read from here, please. Often, Mishari, can you hear me?
Yes, teacher.
Read from here, please.
Often we have to use.
Often.
Often we
Yes.
have to use pickle, teach
Sorry.
question,
Techniques, special techniques.
paint to sprout salt in a method through. You can use a sieve to remove
Yes. Sieve, you can see here.
Help
This is sieve.
for the sand.
From the sand.
Some salt
From the sand.
dissolved in water. The salt
Okay.
does and not despair, but makes
Last period.
what
This is
the
last one. 6 to
Class
6:45. Quarter to 7.
of water. If a salt dissolved it is so should
Thank you, Mashari. Okay, so Saud, come forward, please.
yes,
Saud.
teacher.
Yes, read from here. Other solids.
Are calid insoluble
Insoluble. Insoluble.
insoluble
ايوه يعني هو ما في حل. Insoluble يعني هو ما في حل.
the salt
The solid is called
called
called the
Solute.
solute.
Solute. There is you.
معلش salute.
Okay, Saud. Loai, come forward. Where is Firas? Firas left. Loai Saad. Loai Al Maliki, come forward. Loai, can you hear me? Okay, I will write them as absent, no problem. How can you separate these objects? Some solids dissolve in water, yani huwa hal fil moya. The solid does not disappear but mixes with the particles of water. If a solid dissolves in water, this is called soluble. Yani ay shay huwa hal fil moya, that is called soluble. Then if something doesn't dissolve, that is called insoluble, yani ma fi hal fil moya. When we make solution, the solid is called solute. The liquid it dissolves in, it is called solvent. When the solute dissolves in a solvent, that is called solution. Yani if you make tea, yani shahe, you mix tea bags and sugar and water and milk, you mix them, that is called solution, if those are mixed in water. Like here, the example is when coffee is added to water and the solvent is water, yani ismus water is solvent because that is a lot. That is bigger amount of water there is. Coffee powder or granules is the solute. The cup of coffee is solution. When you make coffee, it is ready to drink, that is solution, or ready to drink, the tea is called solution. Sieves and filters paper can be used to separate solids of different sizes. Filter paper has tiny holes, yani fi sagir holes like this is called hole. In it that only let very small solid particles through. Okay, now we will write the names of these objects. Number one is let me make it smaller so that we can write easily. So we have three names. Okay, number one is sieve. A is sieves. SIEVES, sieves, right? Number two is beaker. BEAKER, beaker. Number three is filter paper. FILTER, filter paper. PAPER. Write it quickly. Okay, these are the names of the things we use to
I
separate
write.
mixtures. Finish, Misari? Saud?
I wrote it.
Okay, that's good. Now, next page.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now number D. The D is evaporating dish. Evaporating dish. Let me make it smaller a bit and make it black so you can see it. Evaporating dish. Next is E, which is filter funnel. Filter funnel. Next, is flask. FLASK, flask. Next, this is form of heat. form of فيه نهار يعني form of heat. Last one is, as you know, what is this? Who knows?
Magnet.
Magnet. Ya salam. Magnet. Okay. Okay. Last one. Write down 2 safety rules that you must follow to keep safe during this investigation. If you make an investigation, there are
Wear
some
gloves.
rules. Safety investigation. Yes. What you say? What are the
Wear gloves.
safety rules? Okay. Wear glasses and
Teacher, I write it.
okay, that's good. Okay. Handle carefully. Handle the things carefully. This is first rule. And second one, then put them on safe place. Okay. Put them on safe place. This is the second rule. Okay. Any problem in this?
No, no.
No, no.
Okay.
Teacher, me finish.
That's good. Okay, now we will move towards next page, which is page number
تيتشر متى تنتهي الحصة؟
page number 38.
That
Yes, 6:30 or at most. So adding solids to water. Solids, sugar is solid and salt is also solid. So this is what I gave you an example. This is the activity you have done at home, right? So now we will write
السلام
what it is.
عليكم.
Walaikum salam there. Some solids dissolved and some do not, right? Like salt and sugar, they were mixed, and sand and some papers didn't mixed. So write down soluble. Now there are some questions. We will write them. Let me make it bigger. First question. Write down soluble and solids. Write down soluble solid that you have used. We used what? We used salt, right? Salt and sugar like that. Next, write down a solid that does not dissolve. That is sand. Okay. Okay. Some solids do not dissolve in water. What do we call them? Those are called insoluble. Insoluble. If they are mixed, those are called soluble, and if they don't, they are called insoluble. How can you tell whether a substance added to water has dissolved? Because the solution is clear. You cannot see solid bits in the water, right? If the solution is clear and there are no solid bits in the water, so it's mean that is dissolved. Okay, how much sugar will dissolve in water? how can we know that if we mix the sugar in water by 1 spoon, by spoon, one spoon, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, you mix it. After one specific stage, the sugar will not mix in water. Okay, how do you know that you cannot dissolve any more sugar? What will you see? We will see solid bits, in water, and no more solid will be mixed. Okay, so we can see solid bits in water and no more solid will be mixed. That is called, what is that called? That is called saturated. Okay, any problem? Yes, Mishari, you are raising your hand.
No, teacher.
Okay, lower your hand, Mishari.
أستاذ متى تخلص الحصة؟
Why? Let me finish and then you can go, no problem. We have 5 to 6 minutes at most.
انتبه مع الأستاذ يا حاتم.
Thank you, Saud. Okay, boys. So I have some absentees like Hatim Al-Amri is absent. Zia is present now. Yes. Let me write his name. Then Abdul Aziz is absent. Firas has come and then again go. And okay.
Yes,
rest of
teacher.
all of you. Zia is there. Okay, I got you. I wrote your name. Hatim Al-Amri and Abdul Aziz both are absent today. Okay. Thank you, boys. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.